channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into today's video. Alright y'all, so I'm finally in Tampa and I gotta get ready because I'm here because I'm going to a wedding, and the wedding is at 4 right now. It's 1:30 and we literally just got in the room. So yeah, let's just get into it. I ordered my Fashion Nova packages and they came before I left because I was supposed to be here yesterday, but I missed the flight, so it ended up coming before I got here. Let's open it. I never tried on the dress, so hopefully it fits well. But if not, I did bring an alternative to what I could wear. Let's see how the dress fits. This is it right here. And I'm gonna give y'all a room tour too. I think a little bit later or tomorrow. The dress, y'all. Ooh, so cute. So I'm about to take a shower and then I'm about to get dressed, and I'm gonna just see y'all when I'm about to walk out the door. Room tour. So this is a little living room area with 2 couches, and I think that couch back there is a pull-out couch. To the right of this outside, we have the poolside view, so we can just walk out our room and go to the pool. Then heading back into the living room, we have a little desk over here that I already started unpacking all my stuff at in packages. And then we have a little closet, which is really small. Hey y'all. Then right here we just have, you know, the regular ice, coffee, and then under here there's nothing literally. Then we have a microwave, which I really like. Most rooms don't have a microwave, so that's nice. A fridge. And then this is the hallway. This is the bathroom right here. This is super cute. And then this is the room. And yeah, they got a mirror right here. And yeah, they are cute, simple. I'm gonna just see y'all a little bit later once I finish.
2 hours later.
So I'm finished getting dressed, and this is the full outfit. So we about to go to the hotel room where the reception is gonna be at. And yeah, I'm gonna just see y'all there. We're waiting on our Uber right now.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss it.
Y'all, I'm at the hotel where the reception is gonna be at. Well, it's not gonna be here, but it's like near here. So yeah, I came here because everybody else is here, and now I'm about to order some food from this restaurant they have in the hotel. I ordered me a drink, and this is the drink. She said this was I asked her for a margarita, and then she said this was a golden margarita, top shelf. So let's taste. It's alright. But I did also order food, and I got the citrus smoked chicken wings and chicken tenders. So I'm gonna just see y'all when the food get here. But the view is so crazy. Oh, this is how the food comes. Ooh, that looks so good. Thank you. Do you have hot sauce?
Fine, fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a take.
As y'all can see, the food came, and I'm eating right now. I had to put on a shirt because it's super cold in here, but I'm gonna just see y'all at the wedding.
Jen, did you get any sweet gummy treats?
Count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna.
Y'all, we about to be at the wedding. So exciting. So I'm gonna just see y'all there.
Like Cassie on me here, but my phone about to take
This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, yeah, yeah. Make it one more time.
Celebrate the beauty of Courtney. My life with you. The best and the worst of what is to come. Courtney, will you wear this ring? Simple, providing love to all time. Come on, will you wear this ring?
Tradition of the black people. Alright y'all, so the wedding is finished and we're about to go on a boat ride, so I'm gonna just see how when we get on the boat because I don't know how far it's gonna be away from the wedding reception. So yeah, hopefully y'all can hear me. Hello? Here.
Yeah, leaving me, dripping out on me, already got what you needed, I guess, quickly, learned yourself on me, already gave what you needed, I guess, yeah, so I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody, get it over, taste it and call me, still got love for your mommy, I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you're chasing. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You gotta say.
We're on a boat and they gave us menus to order food. Let me just show y'all the menu really quick. This is the menu. I ordered the blackened salmon and a strawberry daiquiri. So yeah, I'm gonna just see how the food is here. But yeah, look y'all. Micah was in the wedding, and how did you think it went?
It was good. I liked it. It was my first time being in the wedding.
Right. Chance, how was the wedding?
It was good. It was good.
Ooh. Thank you.
Y'all got strawberry lemonade?
Yeah. Drinks are here, y'all. This is my strawberry daiquiri. Mikey got a lemon drop. I got a Pepsi. And Chance got a sweet tea. Y'all, this is the first appetizer they brought out.
Which one they do? Either one of them they do well done?
It's supposed to be spinach.
The fillets are well done. I mean, everything as well is kind of well done. Alright, and if it is big one,
I don't know about that. This teriyaki chicken. I'm really just not feeling it. BRB. I got a Patron margarita.
Wanna get with you, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say.
Y'all, so we're just chilling on the boat. It's a 3-hour ride, so we ordered our first meal, and y'all just ordered some shots of Hennessy. I don't even drink Hennessy, but
I'm gonna get in the pool.
the drink's really not hitting, so I just need to get a jump start on everything. And y'all, the view is just crazy. Like, what? I'm gonna see y'all a little towards the end of the boat ride.
Living out here. This like a little retired.
I wanna be around while you're chasing. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always wanna.
I want a champagne toast.
Look at you. You bad.
A little bit.
Give him a little.
Thank you.
JC, he's gonna be giving a toast. Please give your attention.
You've been so emphatic, had so much energy about this wedding, and I've never seen you more happy in my life. So I have to tell you that. Hey, Courtney, I appreciate it. Gather, right? Hey, so we're gonna go to the Joneses. To the Joneses.
Right there,
But it's dangerous. You got something real not amazing. You wanna get with me, stop. Yeah. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey.
So the food came. Here's how it looks. So they about to taste it. I need some hot sauce for real, but I'm gonna wait till the server come back. Decent. You can never go wrong with salmon, even if it's unseasoned. BRB.
Told me about all your insecurities, what dragged me like 2 hours to your friend.
Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I forgot to close the vlog out last night, but we didn't end up doing anything after the boat ride. It was already late, like it ended at 10, and by that time I was tired, lit up, and ready to just get in the bed. So that's what I did. But today is the next day, and we plan on going to the mall, jet skiing, and doing whatever else we can find. So yeah, I'm about to get dressed, and of course y'all gonna get ready with me. So let's go pick out what I'm about to wear and get today started.
Family's house for what? Searching me sometime, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around the same as being stuck.
Y'all, so I'm wearing this jumper that I got from Cotton On, and I'm gonna just pair it with those Gucci sandals and my bag right here. So yeah, let's get dressed because I'm ready to go outside. And I think we're gonna go to the mall first because we really don't have nothing to wear. So yeah. Y'all, so this is the finished look, and I put on the Gucci slides. Super cute. So we're about to leave, and we're going to the mall first, and then we're gonna go jet skiing. I don't know when we're gonna get food, but I'm not hungry right now. So yeah.
You're like guns with the ink in you, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga call her face, got me too excited. Play me, throw down dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for
Thank you. You're welcome. So before we leaving, if you're not getting a drink for breakfast, what are you doing? So we stopped to get a drink at this poolside little bar they have, and 10 out of 10. We got a passion fruit margarita. So I'm gonna see you at the mall for real now.
That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved it, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. are still a baby. You share stories where you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be paid.
Y'all, so we finally got to the mall, and right now we in Forever 21. I'm about to see what they got to offer, and anything I pick out, of course, y'all gonna see. So, talk to y'all a little bit later. See this, but I don't know how I feel about it. I think I like when it zips up like this, but I think that's the back. No, this is the front. I think I like this. I don't know.
That was before me. I must have changed it. Shifted your focus. Lens looking jaded. Most of these things I don't want to say.
I only found 2 things. We got to check out now, and I'm gonna just see y'all in the next store.
I wanna be around when you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. Those on this side, those over on this side. You wanna get me to stop?
Looking at these shoes, y'all, and they finally have his size somewhere, so you about to try them on. How you feel? You gonna get them?
Yeah, I think so.
Coming to you live from the city of Houston.
Y'all, look at this. This is cute. With the shoes, though, these are other pair. I think you should get this pair. So you can go with bags. I love a good bag.
How much is that?
I love a
This
simple
one's
bag.
gonna be 1,620.
Let me go look at myself. Y'all, these bags are so cute. I think this is out of these 2 bags.
But
Like, honestly.
I gotta compromise. I might gotta get the shoes in the bag.
Yeah. So indecisive on whether or not I should get the bag, but I'm looking at the jewelry, and I think I might like the jewelry more because Louis is expensive, period. And I want something that I'm gonna always wear, like really get my money's worth. So yeah, look at the jewelry, y'all. I really like the necklace, and then I really like the bracelet. To get this bag, and it's so cute. Definitely.
Vegas.
So what it do, young nigga? 100.
I am on a 24-hour sham.
This is yours.
Thank
This
you.
is yours. I got you guys a little gift as well. These are 3 of my favorite men's fragrances.
I really got a Louis bag. And I can't wait to do an unboxing. So yeah. Right now we in this other store that Mike is looking at. So I'm gonna just see y'all
right quick.
in a little bit.
Pain diet, spilling while I'm sipping. I encourage you to try it. I'm probably just saying that cause I don't have to buy it. The club owner supply it. Boy, I'm on that fly shit. I am with everybody in my past. Don't want me to be, guess what? I made it. I'm the motherfucking man. I just want you to see, come take a look. Get a load of this nigga. Quit frontin' on me, don't come around and try and gas me up. I like running on E. I'm on my Disney shit. Goofy flow. On records, I'm Captain Hook, and my new car is Rufio. Damn, where my roof just go? I'm somebody that you should know. Get to shaking something, cause that's what drummer produced it for. Yes, I make mistakes that I don't ever make excuses for. Like leaving girls that love me and constantly seducing hoes. I'm losing my guards. I said, damn, where my roof just go?
On these Balenciaga shoes, and I do not want to take them off my feet. Like, really, I need them. I don't know if I'm gonna get them, but I did get some Skims, so I'll let y'all know in a second.
4 moments later.
Finally left the mall, and we're about to go get something to eat. I'm gonna do a little unboxing / haul of what I got from the mall. So yeah, I'm gonna just see how this place we going to. It's called Exchange, and their menu looks so good. Like I'm just ready to order the whole menu because I haven't eaten nothing all day, and it's 4 o'clock.
I'm slipped off like Janet at the Super Bowl. I got open and I can't blame her. Since I got famous, I got money to blow. Getting it in, letting these bills fall all over your skin. I got money.
I'm about to order our food. I'm gonna just record when the food comes because my camera about to die. So I'm gonna just see y'all when I get there. Got the food, y'all, and I got it to go. So let's see what it's looking like. This is the grits. Cheese grits. Hold on, let me set y'all up. So this is the grits.
Oh, that look like mashed potatoes. That was grits, actually.
Ooh, that look good. The potatoes I got. You not eating all of these either.
Yeah.
And this is the catfish.
I like this.
Only 1 piece. You shitting me. So yeah, I'm about to eat, and I'll talk to y'all a little bit later. Y'all, so we back at the room, and I don't know what we about to do. Probably just chill and relax for a little bit. If we go in the pool, I'm gonna take y'all with us, but if not, I'm gonna just see y'all a little bit later on tonight. And yeah, y'all, the vibes is there. I'm having a good time, and I got a Louis V bag. Period. Y'all, we've been taking shots, and the bartender is about to give us all 3 shots, so we're about to take some. He got 2 double cups, and I got me just a regular cup and another drink from earlier, but I really didn't like it this time, so hey, I'm gonna see y'all a little bit later. Probably not doing nothing else but chilling for the rest of the night, but I'm gonna end that off for tonight when I get back in the room. In the room, and why did the bartender give us so many free drinks? Like, literally, it's time for me to go to sleep, and that's what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I don't know what we have planned, but I know we want to do a lot of water activities, and I know jet ski is definitely on the list. So yeah, see y'all in the morning.
The next morning.
Good morning, y'all. It's the next morning, and I want to show y'all what I got from Skims. I'm not opening my Louis Vuitton bag right now. You already got a Louis Vuitton bag, but I'm not opening that right now. I just want to show you my Skims and what I got from Forever 21. So let's get into it. From Skims, I got this pair of shorts. Y'all see it. And then it comes with this right here. It's a top, little 2-piece top set. Love my girl Kim. And then I also got that same set in black because why not? And yeah, let me tell you how much Kim is charging for this shit. $44 just for this top. Child. Lucky it wasn't my money. Anywho, what else? I also got, what my other, oh here we go. I also got some basic pair of boyfriend shorts because I just love these. And then that was it for Skims. Now I'm about to show y'all what else I got. I got some Victoria's Secret just because you could never have enough panties. Forever 21, I got these shorts because I don't know, I just feel like they gave a vibe of something pretty much something. I don't know what something is. Oh, I do. Like a beachy vibe or something. Yeah. So I got these dress that I need to go to dinner in. And it's this dress. It just gives classy, long vacation. And then, yeah, y'all, that's all I could really find. I don't know if we're going to the mall again today, but the mall really didn't have nothing. So, Then, of course, I got my big one right here that I'm waiting till I get in the house to do an unboxing for y'all. Because, baby, nothing too excited. I did take the wrapping and stuff off just to look at it myself before the unboxing. And, y'all, why did I have the hardest time putting this shit back on? Like, they really do a big one with this wrapping, so, yeah. And they gave me some, our sales rep gave us some free perfume that he liked, which is really sweet of him, and it smells good. It's not that trash. Big body bussin'. Ooh, don't play. Next one coming very soon. Y'all, I really want those Balenciagas, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to go to work all week, every week, to get my motherfucking money back. So we'll see. I'm on the way to go jet skiing right now at this place called Nitro Jet Ski. So I'm gonna just see y'all when I get there. I just got on the bathing suit and I'm gonna show y'all fully when I get out the car. But yeah, it's BRB. Jet skiing, y'all, and we came in right at the perfect time because right now it's thundering, like, and raining real hard. So everybody reservations was canceled. Now we're about to go back to our room and get in the pool. So I'm gonna just see y'all there. I don't know, we might go out to eat. Well, we definitely going out to eat because I don't want the food at the room. I might get a little salad or whatever, but I don't really want any food or like it. And I'm gonna get a drink. So yeah, first drink of the day, and it's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This day went by fast, y'all. I leave tonight too, so I'm sad, but I'm gonna see you at the room. Y'all, so I'm back at my hotel. I'm in the pool right now. I forgot to bring my camera out, but I'm out here. I've been wanting to get in the pool since we came. So I'm here on my last day. I leave tonight at 4:30, y'all. I gotta turn the rental back in, so I gotta be to the airport before that. The airport is literally up the street from my room, so I don't have to rush. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to chill in the pool for a little bit. And BRB.
You always winning blessed. You don't wanna let no sucker look you in your eyes, huh? Better show off them eyelashes. You love what you do with a patch. Ooh, that shit is trash. I fuck with you.
We're in Ruth Chris right now, and they brought out bread, and they just brought me my drink, which was a strawberry lemon drop. I'm still trying to figure out what I want, and so is Micah, so I'll be back when the food get here.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me. Niggas know what it's going
y'all after.
I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide.
Got a pianist, y'all.
Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh.
Hey y'all, so we leaving Ruth Chris and everything was a 10 out of 10. I think my favorite thing was the au gratin potatoes, even though they didn't make them as good as me, but they were still good or whatever. And lamb chops is good, but now we're about to go to this cookie spot and then we're gonna go to the room. So yeah, I'm gonna just see you at the cookie spot.
Hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby?
Thank you. You're welcome. Y'all, so we in a place where the cookies were at and I already tasted it, but I'm gonna still give y'all a review. This is how it looks. Why my product show pic? Okay, here we go. Yeah, that's how it looks. It's a thick cookie. I rated 6 out of 10 because it really wasn't that sweet, but it was like in the middle, you know. So yeah, we're about to walk around here for a little bit and then we're about to go back to the room. So I'm gonna just see y'all a little bit later. So I'm back in the room, y'all, and it's really nothing to do. I leave tonight, so I gotta finish packing my suitcase. So that's what I'm about to do. And yeah, y'all, this might be the end of the vlog, but I might end it off in the airport. So I'm gonna just decide, and I'll see y'all later.
The next day.
Y'all, I'm finally back home and it feels so good to be off the plane. So let's get into this Louis bag unboxing because I literally been waiting and I crushed my bag up to put it in my bag because my suitcase is way overweight. But yeah, let's just get into it.
DJ Infamous.
Hey, you went flying Billy Spur. Hey, you went driving around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want roll all my hoes. You wanna line it all up. Hey, I'm gonna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the speed. Hey, I'm in the
some hours later and I'm back to end out the vlog because I forgot to after I finished doing my unboxing. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this Tampa vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.